Well, now we move into the latest from the Israeli and Hamas war. Overnight, Israeli tanks have moved into the Gaza Strip. This comes shortly after Israeli troops launched a small ground raid into the region earlier to hit specific Hamas targets. NBC's Jay Gray is live in Tel Aviv with more. Jay, good morning to you.
Hey there, good morning, Dave. And yeah, this is the first time that we've been told of tanks rolling across the border and into Gaza. It was part of what they're calling a targeted raid right now, troops accompanying those tanks. They moved in to clear out areas to take out operational depots, we are told, anti-tank positions as well. We've also been told that this mission was, according to the IDF, to prepare the battlefield for the next stage. So despite calls for a bit of a ceasefire or at least a postponement in fighting, we are hearing at this point that they are going to continue with the preparations for those attacks. I think we're getting, guys, I hate to interrupt, we're getting some air sirens here and we're going to have to clear this area right now. We've got some air alerts from overhead, which means there could be incoming. So we're going to have to clear things out at this point. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Get Jay Gray, get to safety. My goodness, live on television right now. Oh, breaking news.